Hi. Hi. Okay, I guess I'm audible. So, uh, what I'm going to do is a problem of super sequence. Suppose we are having a W1, W2 as strings, and let us suppose W1 be ABCA, ABCA, and next one will be ACB, will be ACB. These two are strings. Uh, I want the length of the shortest super sequence, which has ABC and ACB at its sequence. I mean, suppose if I took A, mm, ACB, AC, basic on, basic on, B intersection, AC, B. And you should have that. Okay. In this string, there are two sequences. One is A, B, C, A, I mean, first prefix, these four characters. And the next string is next sequence A, C, B. So these two are these two. So this string contains these two. So my answer will be length of shortest two sequence will be 5. Four you cannot do. I mean, if you do, you cannot do four. This is the shortest. This is the answer or answer. So how you approach it? Mm, Yes. Mm, Let us know. Chat. Input is experience to get so how to solve it? There are two ways. First, I'm going with way one. Way one without using LCS concept. So with way one, I will definitely state PBI. So PBIJ defines, I mean, the length of shortest super sequence. Shortest super sequence. Less, okay. Length of shortest length of length of string, which has both W W1 from 0 to I mentioned and W2 prefix 0 to J minus 1 as its subsequence. The length of shortest string. So our DPIJ will be hold this. Mm. Our final answer will be DP of, let the size of W1 be WN, W2 be M. Our answer will be this. This depends the length of shortest string. Yeah. 5 minus 1, minus 1. So this is our answer, right? DP of N. How do we generate DP of IC? Assuming the previous values are already computed. Mm, how do we do that? DP of IC the length of short string, which has two cases. I mean, if W1 I minus 1 is equal to W2 J minus 1, um, so how to write? Let us suppose you take this example. So let us suppose uh, its longest, I mean, its shortest string, which has subsequences as ABCA and ACBAs. Yeah, because of AB, CAB, which length is, right? Suppose if I'm adding another character in these two strings, this one, which is a equal character, X, let it be X, our answer will be what? I mean, it will depend upon the previous I minus 1 characters and previous J minus 1 character because this additional string, this additional character adding will be contributed by adding a X character here. So our plus one over if I this I mean where this y came from dp I minus one previous value a minus one, right? So for this case dp I minus one j minus one plus one. The other case w1 sorry the other case the other case possible is w minus one not equal to w2 of j minus one. So it can span I mean uh, I what is the shortest option which includes, I mean, shortest string, which includes first I characters of W1 as its sequence and the first J minus 1 characters of the W2 as its subsequence. So suppose a string length, shortest string length, which includes first I characters of the W1 and first J minus 1 characters of the W2. So what we want to do? I mean, it is already including I characters fully of W1 and J minus 1 characters of W2. So last J character is missing. J character is not included. So for that, I will add a, I will add that not included character. I will append that not included character in our this string. I mean, it giving length, but I'm referring to the length of which string we are referring to. We will append a character to include J minus 1 characters. So DB plus one. Or the other possible way is dp of n minus 1 j plus 1. This dp of n minus 1 j referring to the a string which includes first dimensional characters of the W1 as its sequence and first j characters of W2 as its sequence. So for that string, I will append a character at last to include the ith character of this also. We are including only I minus one characters of W1, right? We want to additionally add ith character of W1. So I'm adding plus one for the string. So our TB will be minimum of which is minimum, that will be our answer. Prism. So this is wave one. Should I write it as wave one? No, I can write maybe 5.7. Solve. Mhm. So for the base cases, what are the base cases? db of 0, db of 0. This signifies there are no characters in W1 and there are W2 characters, there are J characters in W2. So what is the shortest string length which has a sequence of both W2 and W1? Hmm. We know that The string length will be at least a minimum of W1 comma W2. What I'm telling is, suppose you have two strings, which there is nothing and there is something. So to include both of them, both these strings as it's a subsequent, the string length must be at least equal to minimum of this and this, which is 3. So here also it will gives rise to J. So J characters, J. I mean, it is referring to there are J characters in W2. So how much will be dp of 0? What is the length of string which include W1 and W2 as it's a sequence? It will length will be the J. And dp of I0, same I. Base case is how handled. So first I input and then length of the two strings. In W1, W2, C in W1, W2. Mm, our dp table is n plus 1 side, n plus 1 side. Why n plus 1? Because this is our answer. dp of n. First n characters of W1, first n characters of W2. So to handle dp, n characters will side will be n plus, right? Because it is zero base index. Mm, for the base cases, 4 into a equal to 0, I less than equal to n, I plus plus, dp of I, 0 equal to I, is only one. Oh, my turn is so short. Why? Mm, these are base cases. I'll start from I equal to 1, I less than 1, I plus plus, and for some side to j equal to 1, j less than j plus plus. So what are our cases? If W1, are you having any doubt? Like, if you are having any doubt, like, here is I iterator, why are you using dimension pointer? Because we know that dp of I, they refers to the first I characters. So first I characters, I character is I minus 1, right? So last character will in this dp of I. So that's why I mentioned zero base method. Hmm. It will be else. Hmm. Anything left? Hmm. Yes. Then our answer will be video of any. Yeah. Let us check for a case. Then we'll proceed to waiting. Oh. Uh, so NM length will give this that. ABC 4 3 ABC BAC 5. Okay. Another 5 6 randomly. I also love to read it. Okay, it is giving wrong. Okay, sure. 6 C's should be said, right? Sorry, sir. Wrong. Pi and 2, EVD, EV, EV. Yes, pi, because this string includes this one has a sequence. So this will be optional. Now go for way two. This is solve one. Uh, Let us go for solve two. So how do I do this? Um, for the consider the same example. Here, here. So what is the longest common subsequence among them? ABC, ACB. I guess BC, no. AB, yes. AB, AP, AB, AB, yes. Or anything longer than that sequence. ACD, not there. So AB. So AB is, or LCS is longest common subsequence is AB. And length will be equal. So my answer will be size of odd one plus size of odd two minus this case. LCS one. Why? Because if we directly appended them, I mean, if I am directly appending ABCA and ACB, this will obviously, I mean, this string obviously will give this one and this one as its sequences. So we are trying to minimize this. How we are trying to minimize this? Because LCS AB, it is presented two times here. Here AB and here also AB. We should only include it one time, right? Hmm? I guess you tried one time. So I will remove this A and this B. Now let us move. What will be ABC, AB, right? ABC or LCS is AB. Okay. So try to remove one LCS. Try to remove one LCS. Should we remove this AB or should we remove this A and this B? Uh, A, G, B. A, B. Okay. Let us prove why it is working. Mm, okay. First, let us write it's a spaces like space, A, space, B. Hmm. So insert these characters in such a way, inventories. So this will, both will. A already there. So my B already there. Where should I insert C? Obviously, where should I insert A after C? Okay. Here A, C, B. So where should I insert this C? I mean, AB already there because. Uh, hmm. So is it possible like this every time? Is it possible like this every time? Okay. Let us assume my LCS is of LCS length and its indices are Li, mean L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, space, space, LN or LCS length. Hmm? So there will be obviously two words W1, W2. In W1, there are in W1 we map. In W1 obviously there will be L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, LL up to LLCS length. This will be there, and there is some words here X, here something B, something anyway. Here. So I will add this P here, X here, everything correctly mapped into here in this string. Now for the W2 also same. Apply same. Yes. I think you got it. Yes. N plus N minus LCS will be your answer. So how to find LCS? What is LCS? Longest common substance. Same defined it is a dB of I J LCS of W1 0 to I minus 1 and W2 0 to J minus 1. Assuming previous values are already calculated, calculate DPHM. Two is right. One is equal, I mean, equal what? If W1 I minus 1 equal to W2 J minus 1, then this will be dp of I minus 1 plus 1 needed. No? Because needed, yes, I guess. Because dimension character is J minus 1. So in our LCS, not in our LCS, so up to this W last character. Last character means I minus 1 W or W minus 1, W2 J minus 1. There is a character, right? That character will be appended to this LCS. Example, suppose like this. Um, what is LCS? LCS equal to AB. Okay, right. Now suppose there are other things. There is another string of A at X. It must be also X. So this X equal. I mean, and please, I manage some characters. I mean, J manage some characters. LCS is AB. Can I append my X here for LCS for the new DP IJ? Yes, that's why this plus one. Now, if not DP of I minus one, J not X Y not equal. क्या करेगा? I will check maybe this one first five characters and W2 में first J minus one character. This LCS obviously because X is X Y are not going to add in the here because I mean I cannot add X. If I added X, I cannot replicate this ABX in ACV work. So X addition is important. Can I add Y? Nope. It's no need, not added. So previous value is preserving. Previous values of what? Maybe this LCS or first time minus one characters of W1 or next J characters of W. Mm, okay. DPI came into that is mentioned from because I explained you. Your base case is DP of 0, J. There are 0 characters in W1 and there are J characters in W2. So what is the LCS of those two strings? There are no characters in W1. So LCS will be 0, right? There will be no common subsequence because there are no characters in W. So it will be 0. It will also be 0. Right? Now take in book. We will always decided something is new. And then here 0 just space gets a change. Same 1 plus dv of minus same LCS thing. Here 1 plus not needed. Minimum dv of minus blah blah blah. So our answer will be plus or minus. And so should we go for both? Solve to. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, 4 and 3. It's a ECB. 11. Okay, I want to do input act to solve more, right? 4, 6. Interesting. Yeah. Mhm. 6, why 6? These base cases are correct, right? NM, W1, W2. Okay, and this one W plus. If there are 0 characters in J, it's obviously no. I mean, for this example, MP, it's only what's the case? It's wrong, so sometimes. So I'm very low. Same for W1 I minus 1 equal to W2 J minus 1. And dp of ij, longest common subsequence will be 1 plus. Yes, else dp of ij equal to minimum of dp of I minus 1 j I j minus 1. Why? Should be correct. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Should be base cases like 0, 4, check. How should I name this one? Check I can give this one. 1, 2, A, 3. Why then? So 1 extract that is not a resistance. Else is on. Um, oh, longest conversation snacks, right? Yes, 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 yes. LCS2 is the, I mean, length of the string which having its which has W and W as its substance. Okay. Now, if I ask to print that string, how to do one sec. Video recording that. Okay, stop. I will continue next.